The world of banking and finance has witnessed a remarkable evolution over the years, with each era marked by transformative technologies and changing consumer expectations. Traditional finance has long been the bedrock of a global financial system. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, the emergence of Web3 neobanks promises to redefine the landscape, offering a seamless blend of traditional banking functionalities with the decentralized and transparent features of Web3 technologies. Among these pioneers stands Zebu, a Web3-powered neobank that embodies a shift in how financial transactions are conducted, especially in the telecom industry. Central to Zebu's innovative approach is the Zebu token or ZBU token. This digital asset serves as more than just a currency. It enables seamless value transfer on a global scale. This token is built on Ethereum's ERC20 token and pegged on BSC with BEP20 standard. So yun po makikita nyo, ito na nga po yung dashboard ni Zebu. Dito po makikita natin yung mga quantities, no? Makikita natin dito yung magkano yung na-burn, magkano yung na-consume, at yung presyo niya. So dito nga, makikita natin total dollar volume for settlement is $1.8 billion. There are 448 total number of merchants. Total ZBU po na nagamit is 667 million. Total number of invoice settled is 27,000. And total reward po in ZBU distributed is already 31 million. At ito po yung burning pool. ZBU burning pool nila is already 616 million po. At ito po yung current price ni ZBU, 4.32 USD, which is pakikita din po talaga natin ito sa CoinMarketCap. Alam naman po natin na si CoinMarketCap, nandun yung mga iba't ibang cryptocurrency, kung registered sa kanila, ay malamang legit yan. Ayan siya. So, 4.32 current rate po ngayon. So, itong ZBU or si Zebu po ay nagbe-burn po sila ng token. Yun po tinatawag nila na what is ZBU Phoenix Protocol. So, bakit po nagbe-burn? Nagbe-burn po tayo para ma-maintain po natin ang value or mas tataas pa po yung value ng ating token. Kasi po, yung burning, it means na magka-cut po tayo ng portion po from a portion of the digital assets from the total supply and make them vanish forever. So, with that, the remaining ones will be more scarce and potentially more valuable. Kasi mas konti na lang sila, so mas tataas yung value, mas malaki yung potential na tataas yung value. For example, today, we have 4.32. If we burn this, for example, this is the burning pool, so meron po talaga mataas po ang possibility na mas tataas po ang value. For 4.32 to higher than that. So mas mataas po ang value. Okay? So, this is po the burning mechanism of the ZBU. At paano po tayo nagbe-burn? Ano po yung formula po dito? So, ito yung ginagamit. Burned tokens is equal to the total quarterly consumption over the closing day token price. So, ito yung total quarterly consumption. This is the aggregate settlement volume on our platform over a 3-month period. Tapos, yung closing day token price, this is the average market price of ZBU on the day of burning. So, yung araw na yun. So, ito yung pong history, quarterly burn history ni ZBU. Ayan siya, makikita natin dito ng Feb, ayan siya, 2, 2024. This is the ZBU burned. Nung price po niya ay 2.99. Okay, yung price, ito yung USD value at ito po yung percentage, 4.73% from the maximum supply. Tapos, on Feb 5, ay nag-burn po sila again ng 239 million token. So, yung price ay substantially increased. Nag-increase po yung price substantially. Makikita natin, from the first burning po is only $2.9991. After the burn, ay nag-increase po siya significantly ng $4.35. And yung na-burn po na amount is 5.03 of the maximum supply. So makikita po natin dito yung burning pool po ngayon is 616 million po. So kung mag-burn po yan ulit ay malaki po talaga yung chance na mas maging valuable po yung token or mas tataas po yung presyo ng token. So yung burning mechanism, market adaptation rates and transaction value spikes, shifts in local and global telecom markets, regulatory changes impacting our operations, fluctuations in foreign exchange and crypto markets, advancement in blockchain technology, and potential stability in regions where ZBU is heavily utilized, and variations in transaction fees within the telecom industry. Ayan siya. So, makikita po natin dito yung burn and rebalancing po nila. Burn accumulation, rebalancing, tapos may quarterly burn po. So, how to check the ZBU burn history? So, we can click po itong BSC scan. Ayan. So, previous real-time burn at saka previous real-time burn ng second date po. So, we can click this one para makita talaga natin kung legit po ba talaga na na-burn or nagbo-burn po talaga sila ng tokens. So, this burning pool accumulates all the tokens used in transaction settlement. So, ito po ang address. Ayan. Yan po yung address ng or burning address po. So, we can actually click these links para makita natin first hand kung totoo po talagang or kung totoo po ba talagang nagbo-burn po sila. Ayan siya. Again, if they are continually burning the token ay mas liliit po yung supply at of course magka-scarce po siya, and then potentially po mas tataas po yung value ni ZBU. So ngayon nandito tayo sa coin market cap. So makikita natin dito coin market cap ZBU or ZBU token is $4.33 po, and wag po kayo mag-alala dahil listed na po ito in different exchangers like Gate.io, Mexi, BitGet, LBank, Bitmart. Ayan siya. So, marami na po ang mga exchanger na kung saan na-list na po si ZBU kung gusto po nating bumili po ng token. And kung gusto po natin makita kung ano yung mga previous high, ayan, punta lang po tayo dito sa market cap or ilalagay ko po yung link po ng cryptocurrency or ng platform sa video description box para din po makita po ninyo. Ayan. So, dito po sa website ni ZBU, meron pong 3 lines dun sa taas. Makikita po natin dito yung technology, tokenomics, blog, event, press release, and mga contacts po nila. Punta tayo dito sa tokenomics para makikita lang po muna natin. Ayan siya. So, meron po silang mga social media accounts. So, pwede po natin i-visit ang kanilang social media accounts. Ayan siya. So, settlement and loyalty, 20%. Yun po yung, ayan siya, itong blue. Ayan. Ito pala. Tapos, treasury reserve is 15% po. Yung orange. Si ZBU Club, 5%. Accumulated burn is 8%. Private sell po nila is 10%. Liquid token and market is the 7%. Liquid token in market is 7% po. Ayan, tapos team and advisor, meron po dyan 6%. Founders ay 4% and ZBU Labs is 20%. Ito po yung maximum supply po nila. Ayan, yun po yung maximum supply po nila. That's 5 billion. And it is audited by Certec po. Okay? So, ayan, kung gusto nyo pong matry or bumili po ni ZBU, visit lang po kayo sa iba't ibang mga exchanger kung saan nakalist po si ZBU like Gate.io. So, I think hanggang dito lang po ating videos. Maraming salamat po sa panonood and God bless po.